Hello friend, this is Holden with that V6 Commodore. Problem is this car BCM is smell, and if the BCM you want to change, this BCM is damaged inside, and I will use one. And how we can do security without any scanner if you use BCM. This is the damaged one BCM. See, the all chip is damaged. We need to do change this near the big chip. This is the immobilizer chip. Remove this chip, and this is the used one. I will fix and open from the old one, the 4-pin IC, and fix in this BCM. Then the work is done. No need to any program. This is the immobilizer chip. Only change this one chip, 4-pin chip. I show you the location. This is the big chip. Near the big chip, this one chip, 4-pin chip. Open from the old one. This one open and fix in this one, and the work will be done. Thank you for watching.